This video isn't about artificial intelligence, it's about redemption. Everyone has a story, and this is mine. Back in 12th grade, I got trapped in something I never thought would ruin me. Online betting, Dream 11 fantasy leagues, and gambling. It became an addiction. What started as fun became a dark routine, and I started borrowing money from my family, friends, and as well as my relatives. Until one day I realized that I was in debt. Not just few hundred, but 1-2 lakh rupees. Just like that. I felt like I have ruined my life before it even started. But then, something clicked. I came across this word artificial intelligence not just as a word, but as a way out from my dark routine. So I got curious and I started learning. I binge watched every tutorial possible, read everything I could, tried things, failed, tried again, made projects, pitched to online strangers. And then, after months of grinding, I closed my first client. And here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. Number 1. Offer AI automation as a service to small businesses. You don't need to build tools. You just need to connect existing ones. Set up automated lead replies, automation tools to fitness, real estate, and other coaches and consultants. Charge them anywhere between $200 to $500 a month. 90% of these businesses don't even know that this is possible. And with tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, it's just plug and play. Method number 2. Create spokesperson videos for brands. Use tools like Heygen and Veo to generate high quality brand videos without them needing to shoot it for themselves. Combine this with custom brand avatars, business newsletters, and even email marketing. You're not just selling a video, you're selling an experience. Agencies in US charge anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per month for this service. Method number 3. Niche lead gen services using AI. Scrape leads using LinkedIn or Apollo, then clean it with AI, and then write custom cold emails using ChatGPT. You can sell this as a one-time service or even as a retainer. Freelancers and coaching agencies are desperate for good quality leads, and they'll pass on $500 plus a month just for this. Method number 4, and this is the best method to get started. Sell super specific AI micro courses. Never sell how to use ChatGPT, it's too broad. Instead, you can sell something like this: how real estate agents save 10 hours per week using AI, or even AI for Twitter crypto growth. Record a 60-minute Zoom style session and sell it for anywhere between $47 to $127 one time. With the right niche, one viral tweet, and one viral thread, you're right in the business, making money. Method number 5, and this is the most creative out of this all. Start a UGC style AI content agency. Use AI voiceovers and avatars to generate product reviewers and explainer videos for D2C brands. Most brands don't care if it's AI or it's real made. They just care if it converts. Pitch 5 brands, scale them to $200 per video, and then scale the agency. This is exploding in 2025. So yeah, if you have been looking for a sign to start, this is it. If I could rebuild my life from debt and doubt, you can too. Start learning, start building. Let AI be the beginning of your comeback.